What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave. Check it out. I'm out front at Signature Glass Tinting, and I have another very important video for you today. In fact, today's video is one of the most important videos I've ever made. Today's video is all about the window film manufacturer's warranty. And guys, there's so much you need to know. In fact, I can't even cover it all. Today, I want to talk about one specific topic. Let's see. I'll give you a couple teasers. Did you know that not all window film manufacturers warranty all the different windows in your car? There are some windows that are not covered by the manufacturer's warranty. Did you know that if you install a window film that is illegal, or if it's too dark, for instance, for the state that you live in, the manufacturer does not cover that window? Did you know that not all window film manufacturers pay the dealer enough money for them to take care of your warranty? For instance, remember, you're the consumer, I'm the dealer, and then there's a manufacturer. Not all of the window film manufacturers will pay the dealer enough money to make it worth their time, so they're telling the consumer to call the manufacturer and to find another dealer. These cars, you guys, look at these new cars, the Ford Mach-E's, the Teslas, they're made of glass. So what's happening is the manufacturers cap how much money they give the dealer, and the dealers just don't think it's worth their time. They're too busy. It's the middle of summer. They're getting full retail, and they're not going to work for 50 cents or 40 cents on the dollar. Some of these cheaper brands, we're starting to see the film fail on these Teslas. We're starting to see window film fail on the Ford Mach-E's. You guys, the manufacturers are capping how much money they give the dealer, and the dealers are not warranting their own work. You guys, again, I have so much I want to share with you, but today's topic is very important. Today's topic, maybe I need to make a second video. If you want to know more about what I just shared with you, make some comments below, and maybe I'll make another video, or I'll address each and every comment in the notes publicly for everyone to see. But today's video is all about the actual paperwork you get from the dealer. Not all dealers follow the procedures and the policies that the manufacturers put out, and when it comes time to claim a warranty, you're not covered. Okay, so what do I mean by you're not covered? So, again, you guys, I've been doing this for 30 years. My wife was the warranty manager in the state of Florida for Lumar window films. I know how warranties work backwards and forward. Manufacturers of window film, they have policies and procedures, and most dealers don't follow those policies and procedures. So here's the most important thing you need to know about a window film manufacturer's warranty. When you get your windows tinted, I don't care where you go. If you go to a professional tint shop like Signature Glass Tinting, if you call the guy on Craigslist and he tints your car in your driveway, if you go to the dealership, the car wash, the car stereo shop, I don't care where you go, make sure you get a receipt and make sure you get a copy of the manufacturer's warranty, and both pieces of paper need to be completely filled out. And what I mean by that is that both pieces of paper need to clearly identify you, the vehicle owner. They need to clearly identify the vehicle, and it clearly needs to state what window film was put on your car. For instance, your name, your phone number, maybe your address has to be on the receipt, and it has to be on the manufacturer's warranty. The vehicle information, like the year, make, model, the VIN number, the license plate. Again, the receipt and the warranty need to clearly identify what vehicle was tinted. And then last but not least, the window film manufacturer information has to be there. The brand of window film, the type of window film, the shade of window film, and most important, what most people don't know, you got to have the window film roll number listed on the manufacturer's warranty. It's not a bad idea to get it on the receipt also. If you knew how many times people pick up the phone and they call us and they say, hey, I had my windows tinted 5 years ago when I lived in Florida and the film is failing, I have a warranty, can I come into your shop? And we make them an appointment, they show up and they have a piece of paper that says 1995 window tint, Honda Accord, paid $250. You guys, that's not gonna cut it. Okay, so once again, no matter where you go to get your windows tinted, and I hope you find a professional window film installation shop, I personally do not recommend you go to the dealership, ever. You know how many times people go to the dealership and they tell the consumer while they're sitting in the sales office that there's a lifetime manufacturer's warranty on the window film, and then you come back 5 years later because the window film failed and the dealership's under new ownership or new management, or they never gave you the right paperwork, and you're screwed. I haven't seen it once or twice. I've seen it 500 times. Or you hire the mobile guy off Craigslist and he's gone out of business. You know, there's an old saying, mobile today, gone tomorrow. Not all mobile window tinters are gone tomorrow, but most of them are. Even the good mobile window tinters will tell you that they're on the shady side of the business. No pun intended. Find a professional window film installation shop and get your windows tinted. Make sure you get a receipt. Make sure you get a copy of the manufacturer's warranty. Make sure both pieces of paper are filled out. Okay, guys, I had to come inside the building. The gardeners were getting a little bit too close and things were getting a little bit too loud. We're talking about automotive warranties, and we're looking at a bunch of different manufacturers' warranty cards. So this is from Johnson Window Film. It's pretty nice. Lumar makes a real nice warranty card. Suntech makes a real nice warranty card. Matico and Wincoast. Okay, so Matico and Wincoast, they're both distributed by the same company. All the marketing's done by the same company. And they are still kind of living in the 90s. They offer these warranty cards that hang from your rearview mirror in your car. This was a concept or an idea that was very popular back in the 1990s. You don't see it very often, but you know, this is what they have. We are starting to hear and see that some of the manufacturers are going online with their warranties. A lot of people don't want to give up the information that the manufacturer asks for. Not everybody wants to give out their address and their phone numbers and their email addresses. I'm personally one that doesn't want to do that. So the warranty cards still exist, and the manufacturers spend a lot of money making these things look pretty. I mean, Suntech, the idea is you open this up, you can read everything. There's a lot of fine print. There's an area for you to fill out all the information regarding the installation, and then you can staple an invoice to this, and this nicely folds up and it fits in the glove box. So Suntech does a really good job. Lumar also does a really good job. They have a warranty card. You can staple this right to an invoice. You stick it in here, fold it up, and it nicely fits inside your glove box or a file cabinet. I think Johnson may have the best warranty card. It looks real pretty. You open it up, talks about the manufacturer, talks about where they're located, what they do, what they believe in, talks about how to take care of the film, really good instructions on how to handle the dry out period. And then when you open it up, they get real specific again about all the different brands of films that they offer. They have an area where the dealer can fill out their information or staple a business card to, a place for all the product information, and they really go into detail to educate the consumer to what the box says and how to read the box and how there's a roll number on every box. If we go over here and look at some Lumar boxes I have here, you'll see that there's a lot number and an item number. Every box of film has an identification number in it, and that information must be present on the warranty card. And then down here at the bottom, how to make a claim. And then they even go into and give you some warnings and talk about, you know, window film and its legality. But Johnson does a really, really good job. Lumar, Suntech, they spend a lot of money making their warranty cards look pretty so that they add a little bit of value to them so they don't get discarded, because the one rule in the window film industry is you must have your paperwork in order to process a warranty. No manufacturer ever denies a window film claim unless the paperwork is not filled out properly. Okay, that's it, guys. If you have questions about the window film manufacturer's warranty, contact us here at Signature Glass Tinting or make a comment below. I don't care where you're located, guys. I don't care if you're in Miami, Florida, Dallas, Texas, or Frankfurt, Germany. If you have questions about automotive window film, if you have questions about the automotive window film manufacturer, I don't care what the question is. I've been doing this for 30 years. I'm here to help. I don't care what brand you're looking at. I'm going to give you my advice if you ask for it. Contact me, Signature Glass Tinting. We're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. We're everywhere. Or give us a call the old-fashioned way, 949-515-8468.